So we have a panda bag that I'm going to be using, and we also have a heart bag, and they're just two different types of bags that I liked. So to start off, we have these hot and cold iPads. So right now I'm just packing them up. They look pretty cool when I first got them. And now we have just candy, because I felt like usually on Valentine's Day we give candy, so we might as well just give candy now. So next we just have some Valentine's Day chocolate hearts, and I just want to put them in with the candy. I thought they looked really cool when I bought them, so I just decided to put it in with everything else. So right now I'm just organizing the candy to make sure that everyone gets an even amount. So yeah, and now as you can see, here are my organized piles, and now it's time to put them in. So here are some like cool fortune cookies that I found, and they have like cool messages in them, and I thought it would be nice to put them in the Valentine's Day bags, so it'd be like a nice message with the goodies. So here are some of the messages. Happy Valentine's Day, you are one smart cookie, and there are a bunch of others. So I really liked them, and they were really positive, so they would be like a nice addition to the bag. So now I'm just putting the fortune cookies in the bag, and that's just the final thing. And so yeah, so here are all the bags. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Time to relax. Racks so long, it's